Santa Ana Park, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Impulsive Decision. It's Impulsive Decision by the rail is Queen Star on the outside, Rain Dancer, and Quattro Supra now moving up on the inside to take third. Heading for the backstretch, Queen Star in the lead, followed by Impulsive Decision, and running in third is Quattro Supra, head spin running in fourth, and Balota on the outside in fifth, and Rain Dancer. Into the backstretch, it is still Queen Star by a length and a half, followed now by Quattro Supra moving up on the inside. Impulsive Decision running in third on the outside, head spin running in fourth by 5.5 lengths, Balota and Rain Dancer. And nearing the pattern is Queen Star in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra in second, and Impulsive Decision remains in third, head spin running in fourth. And at the pattern, it's Queen Star in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra by the rail in second, and Impulsive Decision remains in third by 3.5 lengths, head spin, and Rain Dancer, Balota. And into the home stretch, Queen Star on the outside by the rail, Quattro Supra. At the top of the stretch, it is still Queen Star in the lead. It's Queen Star on the outside, Quattro Supra by the rail, and Impulsive Decision remains in third. And nearing the payoff line is still Queen Star in the lead, followed by Quattro Supra by the rail. And at the payoff line is still entry number 4, Queen Star and Quattro Supra. And finally, it's Queen Star, Quattro Supra, Rain Dancer, Impulsive Decision, Balota, and Head Spin.